Hello Pop Snappers, my name's Jimmy, this is Elphaba, and we're here to give you a very quick update on PopSnap. Wait, what's PopSnap? So PopSnap is the refresh of Sticker Party, an app that I built in 5 days back in 2022. I'll quickly show you the original blog post here on my website. This was the picture that started it all. We were walking the London Parade and basically the photo was spoilt by this person's hairline. So I looked on the App Store and I found very few apps that were actually allowing me to stick a sticker on top of it. And the one that I did find was trying to charge me £50 a year subscription. So I decided something had to be done. 1 second, I'm just going to put Elfie down. She's tired. There you go. Something had to be done. So Sticker Party was born. And I set myself a challenge to get the app completed in 5 days and released into the App Store. That happened, and it's kind of sat there for a couple of years. I still use it, I still enjoy it, and as part of the Google Play requiring all apps to be updated to target the latest versions of Android, I had to give it a little bit of TLC, and I decided to rebrand it. So it is now called PopSnap, and here's a quick demo. Let's switch over. So yeah, I've spent the day updating it. It's got a new icon now. This is kind of a work in progress. Okay, so it's still got the push notifications, so let's just allow those. And then here we are. This is kind of the default screen that you land on. This is going to be updated in the future, but right now it's very simple. We can tap to pick a photograph. I put a couple of pictures here of me and my dog. So let's pick one of those. Let's go for this one. Elfie looks very cute here. So here we are. This is kind of, it's a very basic tool. At the premise, it allows you to kind of zoom into the picture. You can tap here to add stickers. And let's have a look. What should we add for this one? Let's put something. There's loads. You can search for them. Let's go for this one. Let's pop that up here. We rule the world. We need something else. She's a beautiful dog, so let's try and find something of a similar style. Handsome, that doesn't really fit. Selfie queen, that's pretty good. Brilliant. Always beautiful. Let's go for that one. Oh, there was a babe there. That would have gone well as well. Right, so we'll pop that like this. Always beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Maybe a heart. So let's search for heart. What comes up here? I think this one's really cute. I probably overuse this one. Yeah, maybe up here. So what you can do is you can zoom in when you kind of select a sticker. It kind of it's got this cool little rainbow. That's new to this version. It's got this cool little rainbow highlight that kind of shows you what you've got selected. You can kind of like really zoom in 500% actually, and really precisely. Oh, I should have enabled touch. I should have made it so you can see my touch on the actual screen recording, but oh well. Actually, that's way too small when I zoom out. So maybe about there. And it basically allows you, it's just a really nice little simple editor that allows you to, in fact, let's find something similar to that first one that I did. It allows you to kind of very simply kind of dress up your photograph. So if I pop that there, that's pretty cool. But now we've covered up those words. And then you've got these layers here, so we can pop that on the top. I think that's pretty nice. Suitably tacky. Yeah. Awesome. So I'm going to save this one now. Basically, the entire app is free, but you basically pay for if you want the higher resolutions. So I'm just going to leave it on the smallest version. And then you get this cute little animation. You're a sticker superstar. So Gemini came up with like 20 awesome little kind of phrases that it will give you when you actually save those. So we can go back and we can just let's save it again, see what we get again. You've got the magic touch. All right. Let's do one more. Awesome creation. Okay, so that's that. And then basically you can share it, to your other apps here, or you can go back and now it kind of sits, there on my screen. If I very quickly do one of these, let's just whack a massive, these are pretty cool, these comic things. What should we go for? We'll go for, maybe we'll go for whoa. And the cool thing is that basically these are basically vector graphics. So you can see, like, no matter how zoomed in I go, these are razor sharp. So that's kind of one of the ideas that I wanted to have. It also opens it up for the scope of, like, when I've got some pictures of, like, for instance, Santa here. and I've tried to include different skin tones. But then it actually occurred to me that it would be kind of cool if, if I just picked one of these Santa pictures here, and then you could actually like maybe just tap a button somewhere. It says like change the skin tone, and you can basically change the skin tone because they're vector graphics and all of this stuff can be modified. So that would be kind of a cool feature for the future, but we'll just save that one. There you go. We've got a couple of creations quickly made. So yeah, that basically gives you an update as to what I've done in the last 24 hours. Well, actually, I've added themes as well. So the app's now got a light and dark theme, which is new. Using all the Material 3 goodness that Flutter's got these days. It's got a new name. It's now called PopSnap rather than Sticker Party. I thought that was quite fun. Like, a kind of popular, trendy kind of photos. So that's what that's going for. And the little character here is kind of subject to change. I'm going to be adding loads of new stickers into the app over the next week or so. So kind of keep your eyes out for that. The next big feature that I want to add is going to be speech bubbles and thought bubbles. I just think that'll be so cool if you can kind of like actually kind of put speech bubbles and thought bubbles over people and just type in something funny to say. Then I probably want to add things like cropping. I think that would just be a really kind of low hanging fruit. It would be dead easy for me to add cropping so you can kind of create those perfect Instagram creations. I think frames would be quite a nice feature as well if you could kind of choose, instantly make something Christmassy by adding a Christmas frame, or you're on holiday so you can add like summer vibes kind of frame. And then I kind of feel like one of the features that I'm really looking forward to doing is kind of like templates. So you could have, for instance, like a meme template which would kind of give you that that kind of recognizable meme look, and you could basically have all sorts of different templates there, party invites, wedding invitations, whatnot. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do over kind of the next the next few updates for PopSnap. But I just wanted to give you a very quick look at that app. It's already available in the Google Play Store. It's currently in review with iOS, so it should be available there momentarily. But yeah, cool. Thank you very much. I will see you soon. Bye.